Today in this video, I'm going to talk about my experience and my journey as an intern in the Digital Deepak internship program. I joined the batch 4 of Digital Deepak internship program, and for those who want to join the upcoming batches, I just want to give my honest opinion, and I just want to share my journey as an intern so that you would be able to know that what this program is exactly, and is it worth it to join or not. So the first thing is that this is my personal experience, and it varies from person to person, so I cannot talk about someone else. I'm just going to share what I learned and what is my experience in this program. So let's just start the video. So if I talk about this internship program, then I would say the first thing is that this program is a very well structured program, because it has a 12 different weeks in which you learn the things step by step. So the structure of the program is very well thought and very well curated, because you will not learn things in random, that they will just pick some random topic and will start teaching you. It's not going to happen. Every week there is a dedicated topic, and these topics are arranged in such a manner so that you will move step by step in your learning journey. So this is one thing that I really liked about this program. Then if I talk about the second thing, which is the length is 12 weeks, so you have enough time to practice, and you have enough time to actually go deep into the things. Like from the week 1, you will learn about the success mindset, and then moving towards your setting up your blog, finding your niche, and then learning about ads and SEO, then copywriting, sales and all. So marketing automation is also there. So you will learn different things, and it will take 12 weeks of time. So you have a lot of time to actually figure out that what is your thing, what you really want to go deep in, and what would be your calling for the digital marketing, because digital marketing is really broad, so you cannot learn everything. You need to choose one niche, and you need to expertise in that. So for that, it is very important that you actually learn about everything, and then you will choose one or two things that you master. So this concept is also I learned from in this internship program from Digital Deepak itself, which he called the T-shape expert. So you need to be a T-shape expert, where the horizontal of the T will cover all the different topics in a particular niche, and then the vertical will cover only a few one or two skills that you really want to master. So it will give you the opportunity to actually go through this process and become a T-shape expert. So this is the plus points. Then the most I would say the most attractive feature that I found in this program is the assignments. You will get assignments every week, and you have the deadlines to finish those assignments. And if you don't finish it on time and submit, then in that case you are not going to get the cashbacks, because you will get the cashbacks for every successful assignment. So this is the best part, because you take action when you have some deadline, and you get motivation. You get motivated because you are getting the money, you are getting the cash back. So it motivates you to take action, and there is a deadline, so you do it in a more productive way. So this thing is really cool about this program. So if you if you are not taking action, if you are learning the things, just watching videos or reading the things but not doing it, so this program can help you to take some actions and actually do the things. So this is a very I would say a highlight of this program, the complete program of Digital Deepak Internship Program. Then the next thing that I want to talk about is this week, not on this program is just not focused only on learning, but at the same time it is also focused on helping you to monetize what you have learned. So there are 4 bonus weeks. Overall it's a 16-week program where 12 weeks are dedicated for learning, and the 4 weeks are the 4 bonus weeks are dedicated to help you to monetize those skills and guide you that what you can do with the knowledge that you have gained. So it will help you with freelancing, if you want to get a job, or if you want to become a digital mentor, or if you want to do affiliate marketing, anything that you want to choose, it will guide you in that particular thing as well. So these are the main highlights of this program, and I find this really helpful because every week when I do assignment, I learn something new, I take action, and because of the deadline, I actually do the things in a more productive manner. So in this whole process, I actually learn something, and it helps me to do much better in whatever I am doing in digital marketing. So this is something which I feel and I found very helpful. And overall, if I talk about my journey, I find this program really valuable. But the few things that I want to say about this program is that the one thing that I feel it could be improved is there is no review about your assignment. When you submit an assignment, you don't get any feedback. So what I feel, if there is a feedback, then in that case we also get the opportunity to understand that how can I improve. So that thing is missing. But I can understand that there are around 1,000 people in a batch, so it's very difficult to go ahead and review each and every assignment and giving the personalized feedback. So I have just one suggestion that what could be done is every week 3 or 4 assignments could be picked from the different assignments submitted by the people, and the feedback can be given in those assignments, because that how these assignments are done and how they can be improved. So because the real assignments, the assignments submitted by the interns will be reviewed and will be given feedback. Everyone will be able to learn something and will be able to improve. So this is something which could be done, and otherwise I feel that overall this is a program that you can definitely check out and definitely give a try, because it's a worth it program, and you will definitely learn something, and you will definitely become better in digital marketing, become better person, and become better with whatever you are doing, whether it's a business or whether you are just learning digital marketing to provide as a service. So this is what I think about this program. And if you really like the video, just hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So that's all for today's video. Thank you very much.